Right. Goodness me, started a bit earlier than I expected. Okay, let's go. Unit 3 or 5, continuing with that, please. Thank you. And we're in session 14, installing wiring systems. Okay, that's where we are. Okay, thank you. Now specify and apply the installation methods and procedures for installing thermoplastic cables. Okay. And here we are going to be looking at the various methods in which circuits can be wired: wiring systems, single core, multi-core, thermoplastic cable, multi-core, thermal setting cables, and mineral insulated cables and data cables. Okay. And you've looked at containment systems before already, so that's just a recap for that purpose. Okay. Now, I'm not going to need to read this out to you. Singles are installed with etc. Okay, and you've covered a lot of this already, so I can just go straight into this now directly. Okay, and you can now apply this for yourself because you are now level 3. Okay, so there's not much lot talking for me to do. Now again, make sure that you've complied with the correct regulations as reference to the IEE regs. In this moment in time, it is the 18th edition, but looking at any future edition could be the 19th, 20th, or 21st edition due to the future developments. Okay, so allow for that factor to be in place. Again, check, check, check. That is your responsibility. Okay, let's just go in a little bit, make sure we can get this interview. Okay, and this is just showing you the cables runs. You've covered something like this already previously, so I don't need to stay too long on this. And here you have as well cables in joists, etc. Okay, so again, let me just move in a little bit closer so we can make sure we get it into view. Okay. 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 And back. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and again, you've seen this already previously. Again, make sure you comply with the correct standard. Okay, again, you can read it for yourself, don't need me to have any kind of input at this stage now. Okay. And again, here cable and sealing voids and so forth, etc. Okay. Again, for you to read and make sure that you can interpret the information as it is presented. Again, make sure you comply with the current regulations, okay, in respect of the relevant IEE regs. Okay. Now clipping, and it tells you the distances, okay, that should be placed, that clips should be placed at, okay. And again, you need to check the IE regs that you are compliant with current regulations at all points in time. And you'll notice here that I've got my references for 2011 OSG. You will need to apply the current on-site guide in your period of time. And again, as I've said, it is the agency edition of the IEE regs. And again, make sure you comply with the current regulations, okay, the standards, okay. Make sure you do the question, multi-choice questions as well, okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.